In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ER diagrams using Microsoft PowerPoint. Even though PowerPoint isn't purpose-built for entity relationship diagrams, it's flexible, familiar, and perfect for quick planning or presentations. By the end, you'll build a clear, simple diagram and understand how to lay out entities and relationships cleanly. To get started, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can open an existing deck or create a new blank presentation so your canvas stays clean and organized. Once your presentation is ready, look to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. This is the hub for everything we'll use to build the diagram. Inside Insert, click Shapes. From the gallery, choose the circle. In this walkthrough, circles will represent your entities. Click and drag on the slide to draw the first circle, then create two more so you have 3 in total. Space them evenly across the slide so your relationships will be easy to read later. If you see alignment guides, use them to keep things tidy, and don't worry, everything can be adjusted as you go. Next, let's connect your entities. Return to the Shapes menu and select the Line tool. Draw 3 lines so the circles are connected, visually showing how the entities relate to each other. Take your time here. If a line doesn't land exactly where you want, undo, move the shape slightly, and redraw until everything aligns. Clean connections make the diagram much easier to follow. Now add another element. Open the Shapes menu again and pick the rectangle. Depending on how you use it, this rectangle can represent an attribute or even another entity in your model. Place it where it fits naturally with the circles, keeping your layout balanced and readable. With the rectangle in place, connect it to the circles using lines from the same Shapes menu. This completes the connections and ties the whole structure together. Step back for a moment and check spacing and clarity. You should now see a basic but effective ER diagram that shows entities and the relationships between them at a glance. And that's it. You've created an ER diagram using Microsoft PowerPoint. This approach is ideal for quick designs, team discussions, and situations where you need to make fast changes without specialized software. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll enhance and customize the diagram. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload.